attention in the AZ Health Zone program. At our Kids Cooking Club in the summer library program, one of the kids' favorites is a recipe called Symphony of Fruit Pizza. It's a simple snack with lots of color and flavor. I guarantee that this will become one of your favorites too. See if you can get an adult to help oversee this snack preparation, and let's get started. For this fruit pizza, you will need the following ingredients: 1 whole English muffin, 1 tablespoon of whipped fat-free strawberry cream cheese, 1/3 cup strawberries sliced, 1/4 cup grapes quartered, and 1/4 cup of canned mandarin oranges drained. The utensils that will be required for this recipe are a toaster or toaster oven, a table knife or spatula, and a knife and cutting board. So I have some English muffins here in the toaster. I'm going to push that down and get those toasted while we cut some fruit up for this. Fruit gives us so many vitamins and helps us to be healthy and strong and fight off disease, and that's really important. These yummy strawberries are just coming off this time of year, and they're going to be so luscious on this recipe. This recipe calls for strawberries, grapes, and the oranges, but you can substitute really any kind of fruit that you have in your home. It could be kiwis or bananas, pineapple, blueberries, anything works. What the kids and I love about this recipe most is all the great colors that it has when you get through it. Just makes you want to eat it, plus all the sweet goodness in the fruit. So if you have fruit in cans or in the freezer instead, you can certainly use those also. A really fun trick that I read about in Cooking Matters for Chefs and Kids is that all of this cut up fruit, if you don't use it on this, you can pop it into a bag and stick it in the freezer. And the kids love to eat that when it's nice and frozen in the summertime for a cold treat. Okay, this simple treat is made by taking the cream cheese spread with strawberries in it and spreading it on our toasted English muffin, which makes our pizza base. If you don't have cream cheese with strawberries in it, but you have them separate, you can always just whip up your cream cheese and put some strawberries in with it, and it will be delicious just that way. The cream cheese, of course, gives us a little of the dairy besides the fruit that goes on this. And then, of course, our breads will give us from the bread group. If you have a family you want to make this for, you're going to want to make several because it will go in a hurry. Like I say, it's one of the kids' favorites. Okay, then all you do is arrange fruit on your English muffins. And at the library program for kids cooking, some of the kids like to make smiley faces and be creative with it. Who wouldn't want to eat that for a great snack in the summertime? This recipe and so many other great recipes can be found on azhealthzone.org, and check them out and you'll find a great variety of recipes to make this summer with your kids. Thank you so much.